Good morning everyone. So today I'm Akriti Rawat with few of my friends to show you a PPT on small scale industries, basically SSI. So I hope you all will be loving it. Let's get started. Small scale industries. SSI means small scale industries, which is an industrial undertaking with the investment not exceeding rupees 100 lakh in plant and machinery. In cases of auxiliary industries, the investment selling on plants and machinery is also rupees 100 lakh. Examples of small scale industries are like bakeries, school stationeries, small toys, paper bags, water.
My name is Maika, and today I'm going to talk about the characteristics of small scale industries. First is about ownership. Such units are generally under single ownership, such as sole proprietorship or sometimes a partnership. Second, management. Both the management and control is generally with the owners or owner. So the owner is actively involved with the daily running of business. Third, labor institutive. These small scale industries tend to use labor and manpower for their production activities, so their dependence on technology is pretty limited. Fourth, flexibility. These units are more adaptable to their changing in business environment. So in case of sudden changes or unexpected developments, they are flexible enough to adapt and keep running on. So next is objective of small scale industries: to create more employment opportunities, to improve standards of living people, to solve the unemployment problem, to attain self-reliance, and to ensure the equal distribution of income and wealth.
My name is Monica Kotwal. Scope of SSI in different sectors. Scope of SSI in different sectors are manufacturing industries, trading industries, and services industry. First, we learn about manufacturing industries. Let's go. Manufacturing industries, village and cottage industries. Village industries means any industry located in rural area in tiny sectors. Second, handlooms as handicraft. Handloom saris are a traditional textile art of Bangladesh and India.
My name is Harshita from class 7th I. Service industry. Service industry and industry in that part of the economy that creates services rather than tangible objects. There are three types of services industry. First, professional services. Second, commission services. Third, personal services. Trading services. Trading companies are businesses working with different kinds of products which are sold for consumers, business, or government purposes. Trading companies buy a specialized range of products, maintain a stock or a shop, and deliver products to customers. There are three types of trading services. First, wholesale. Second, retailer. Third, commission agent.
My name is Srishti. I am from 7th I. So now the question arises that why we need SSI. We need small scale industries SSI because it helps in increasing employment and economic development of India. It improves the growth of the country by increasing urban and rural growth. Like in SSI, manufacturing providing services productions are done on a small scale for micro scale. For example, napkins, tissues, chocolates, toothpick, water bottles, etc. These are our daily use. How to do registration in small scale industries. Entrepreneurs desiring to start SSI have to internally obtain a PRC, which is called Provisional Registration Certificate. The PRC, once the unit goes to the productions, the PRC has to be converted into PMT, Permanent Registration Certificate. SSI registration is free of cost and do not have to pay for the processing. You will get the certificate on your registered email ID after the document verification and processing by the executives. Contact details, bank account details, additional details of the business employees and investments are mandatory part to fill the registration form. You may also have to submit the scanned copy of the documents which Aadhaar is compulsory. Micro and small scale industry registration have made so easy under several schemes provided by the government of India.
This is where I call advantages of established small scale industries. So the advantages are employment generation, make use of industrial waste, reduces regional disparity, export promotion, meets the demand of the market, share in national income, mobilization of local resources, and social advantages. So now we will study about how to basically start a small scale industry. So the step 1 is selection of product. Step 2, location of enterprise. Step 3, deciding organization pattern. Step 4, preparation of project or feasibility report.
My name is Tanisha. I am from class 7th I. My topic is summary of small scale industries, SSI. These are also known as SSI. Are those industries in which the manufacturing, production and rendering of these services are done on a small micro scale. Small scale industries is celebrated every year on 13 August in world with the aim of providing employment opportunity to the unemployed. A small scale industry has an important role in economic development in a developing country like India. Keeping in mind the strategic importance of the overall economic development of India, special emphasis has given to the need for the development of small scale industry. Accordingly, the trend of policy support. So, these industries are generally labor intensive and hence they play an important role in the creation of employment. SSI are crucial sector of the economy both from the financial and social points of view. So here is the end of summary of small scale industries. So we all hope that you will like the performance of 7th on small scale industries. Thank you all for giving your precious attention.